A very warm morning, students. Welcome to Social Science online class. Don't skip the class, listen the class carefully. Class 8, Session 17, Subject Social Science. Topic Paper money, credit money or bank money and near money. Students, last class we have learned about money and evolution of money. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining type of money, paper money, credit money and near money. Dear students, before enter into the topic, let's see a small question session. Be attentive. First question, what is paper money? I repeat the question, what is paper money? Paper money is a country's official paper currency that is circulated for the transaction involved in acquiring goods and services. Second question, what is credit money? I repeat the question, what is credit money? A medium of exchange consisting chiefly check and drafts. Okay students, let's move on to the topic paper money, credit money or bank money and near money. Now let's learn about paper money. It was found difficult as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. So, invention of paper money marked a very important stage in the development of money. The development of paper money started on the basis of storage of gold and the receipt were issued by the goldsmith. For these storages, this receipt of goldsmith were a substitute for money and became a paper money. Paper money is regulated and controlled by Central Bank of country. It is the Reserve Bank of India at present a very large part of money consists mainly of currency notes or paper money issued by the central bank. Let's see the next one. Credit money. Credit money is a nothing but people keep a part of their cash as a deposit with the banks which they can withdraw at their convenience through a check. The check itself is not money but performs the same as function of money. Let's learn about the last stage of evolution of money, that is a near money. What is near money? Near money is the final stage in the evolution of money. It has been the use of bills of exchange, treasury bills, bonds, debentures, saving certificate, etc. It is non-cash assets that are highly liquid and easily converted to cash. Students, I wind up my class. Here, let's recap the stages of evolution of money. There are 5 stages of evolution of money: commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money and near money. First one is commodity money is a basic goods used in commerce that is interchangeable with other goods of the same type. Example, gold and silver mining process. Second one is metallic money. It refers to the money which is made of metals like gold and silver, copper, etc. Money changed into metallic money is paper money. It was found difficult as well as dangerous to carry gold and silver coins from place to place. Next one is credit money. People keep a part of their cash deposit with a banks which they can withdraw at their convenience through checks and drafts. Last one is near money. It is a non-cash asset that are highly liquid, easily converted to cash. Students, I wind up my class now. I hope you all understand the evolution of money. Next class, we will discuss about recent form of money. Today's homework. First question, what are the stages of evolution of money? I repeat the question, what are the stages of evolution of money? Second question, fill up the following table. I repeat the question, fill up the following table. Okay students, thank you. See you in next class.